Hurricane Beryl bears down on Jamaica as a Category 4 storm, and we're hearing stories about Chicagoans having to change their Caribbean travel plans. And NBC5's Jenn Schanz reports that local families she talked to have relatives in the path of the hurricane.
I go back every single year.
But this time, Kingston native Beulah Jones is up against a historic hurricane, the strongest ever recorded in July. And she's just days away from traveling to see a sick loved one.
I should be traveling on Sunday, which is the 7th. And right now, I'm like in limbo.
Beryl, downgraded today to a Category 4, could hit Jamaica or pass near it Wednesday. Beulah and Michael Humes, also from Jamaica, both run businesses on Howard Street in Rogers Park. It's one way they share their love of the island with others. For Michael, it's through the delicious flavors of the Caribbean American Baking Company. He too has family on the island, but right now isn't too worried about Beryl.
We've been through it, so just have to weather the storm, so to speak.
The hurricane, which has already claimed 6 lives, is keeping travel experts on high alert.
Every single hurricane uproots business. That's just how it is.
Windy City Travel has had to reroute about a dozen clients who had plans to visit Jamaica. Hurricane season, always a reminder, says President Lynn Farrell, of the importance of travel insurance. She and her clients taking it hour by hour.
Every day we're having conversations. We have clients that left yesterday for Cancun. We have people that have canceled for Jamaica.
Beulah remembers firsthand the deadly destruction of Hurricane Gilbert, which slammed Jamaica in the late 80s.
We just have to accept whatever comes and pray and hope that it passes.
Beulah says she will make it back to Jamaica, storm or not. As of now, her flight, scheduled for Sunday into Montego Bay, is still on. In Rogers Park, Jenn Schanz, NBC5 News.
Jen, thank you very much.